Today I'm going to show you how to turn your low-resolution graphic or logo to a high resolution in Adobe Photoshop. Let's zoom the image. Look at the edges, it's not sharpened and it's pixelated, so we have to fix this, and we have to increase the resolution of this image. Let's go to Image. And Image Size. Make sure this clip is clicked on. I'll make the resolution 300 pixels per inch. And the width 6250 pixels. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll increase the radius to 25 pixels. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new curves. Now, click and drag this point like this to the left. And bring this point to the right. Once you're satisfied, close Properties panel. Right-click on the top layer and merge down. This time I'm going to remove the white background. Then go to the window. And open your Channels panel. Hold the Control key, and click any of the channel thumbnails to select your image. To select inside, go to Select. And Inverse. With the selection active, click on the Mask button to remove the background. Enable the new background. Then zoom in the image. Look at the magic, look at the edges, and it's beautiful and it's very sharp. Take a look at this, it looks really good, the edges are more sharp, and it turns into a high-quality image that you can easily use it anywhere you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.